New topic is regular expressions. Uh, little bit know what is a regular expression? You know little bit regular expression.
No, sir.
No, no idea. No any idea. Okay, I will discuss. So first of all, what is a regular expression? So if first of all, so why we use regular expression? Okay, yeah. You see, you know what is a Gmail? How to create Gmail account? You know already. Gmail accounts, any accounts, Instagram, any accounts, you should be.
Yes, sir.
But major importance of only Gmail accounts. So Gmail account, how to create? If I say Gmail account, account. Okay. So Gmail accounts is a mandatory of alphabetical. For example, this is a B C. Oh no, ABC and at the rate Gmail G M A I L gmail.com. Other example A B C at the rate gmail dot co dot in. Okay, this is a mandatory alphabetical. This is a special characters alphabetical special character dot and dot com. This is a characters. Okay, if you
Okay,
want,
sir.
okay, if you want to create a Gmail, if you want to create a front end developer and testing purpose, so how to want check uh, two options. First of all, this is mail ID. Okay, mail ID and check it password. So create mail ID. So what is a how to create validations? How to create mail validations? Validations means this is a first of all three or four, yeah, five, six, seven, eight, no limit of characters, and this is a mandatory use at the rate and use for characters Gmail and to use dot and dot com. This is a mandatory of, but this is mandatory of three terms. First of Gmail at the rate, and this is dot, and this is a com. This is three mandatory. Two mandatory are present or not present. First validations. Okay. Second validations is alphabetical and numerical allow. फिर only alphabetical and alphabetical. This is second validations. So how to create validation and how to check validation. You know what is a validations? If you want to create Gmail ID, okay, mail ID, A, B, C, but I forget at the rate. I don't know at the rate and gmail.com. So exist or not exist? I forget at the rate. So exist or not exist? This mail
Not
ID.
exist, sir.
Not exist because at the rate is forget, but at the rate is must now. So this is a check validation. But create and check again validation for this is a front end page. This is validation front end and backend to how to create backend and how to create GML how to create passwords, how to create your gym. Yeah, screen visible na, Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So how to create password, how to create Gmail, outlook.in, gmail.in, gmail.co.in, any kind of information, any kind of validation. So create by through regular expression. Okay. So main purpose of regular expressions. A regular expressions is a special text string for describing a search pattern. Means a regular expression is a special text. A special text is string. Means string. Many strings. Oh, sorry. Voice is not Krishna. Yeah. So where is used to? If I say A to Z, how to check? A to Z small, A to Z capital, 0 to 9, dot, dash, hyphens, dollar. This is checking your validation to use your Gmail ID. This is properly or not properly. Okay. This is regular expression. Regular expression. Regular expression by checking validations valid or not valid. Okay. So first of all, a regular expression is a special text string for describing a search pattern. Search pattern, what is search pattern? Search pattern, this search pattern, search pattern. And this is your input and checking search pattern. This is our exist or not exist. One by one character checking A to Z, yeah, A to Z, ABC. Gmail.com, yeah, gmail.com A to Z. 0 to 9, 1, 2, 3. If say define 1, 2, 3, so checking 1, 2, 3. If you define dot, so checking dot. And dot com, फिर again A to Z. I will show you example how to create, how to show, how to checking. Okay. So first of all, a regular expression is a special text string for describing a search pattern. You understand what is a regular expression?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can think, Sovik, understand ना?
हाँ सर.
देखो इसमें क्या मीनिंग क्या है इसका रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन का, जैसे हम पैटर्न बनाते हैं, पैटर्न बना के हम उसमें चेक करते हैं ए टू जेड लेके, स्मॉल ए टू जेड कैपिटल, 0 to 9 एंड स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स, डॉट, स्लैश. इसको एक पैटर्न में डाल के हम पैटर्न चेक करवाते हैं कि आपका जो जीमेल आपने डाला है वो वन बाय वन कैरेक्टर चेक करके बताए कि हाँ आपका वैलिड है या नहीं वैलिड है. ओके.
ठीक है सर.
Okay, so next point is you can think of regular expressions as a mild wild cards on steroids. Means you think a regular expressions means checking the all scenarios, checking the all scenarios, all multiples values are checking these stories, wild cards. Okay. So you are probably familiar with wildcards notation, such as wildcard notation means if you want to check it, such as a text file, if you want to check, if you want to all text file in the your PC, D drive, E drive, any drives. So how to check it? If you want to only text file, so how to check file? Start.txt. So how to decide? If I say local disk D. Okay. If I say search engine, this is search bar. Okay. This is search bar. If I say search bar star, dot txt. Yeah, if I say star star dot txt, enter. Defined all txt files. All txt files are stored in my D drive. So show my all txt files one by one. Okay, so that is means you are probably familiar with wildcard notation such as a star.txt, star.png, star.jpg. So this is jpg files. All images are show dot jpg, jpeg, png, dot png. Star means all files are executed in your pop-up window. Show your files, है ना? So to find all text files in a file manager, okay, you are probably familiar with wildcard notation such as a asterisk dot txt to find all text files in a file manager. Second is function of regular expression. First is a functions. What is a function? This is a definitions and how to work and how to search. Okay, functions of regular expression. So first of all, match functions. Match functions. This functions determines if the RE means this functions determines if the regular expression matches at the beginning of the string. Match function start the your regular expression. When to start and how to start, where to start. So regular expression matches function. So match function is syntax RE. This is regular expression. Match pattern and strings. This is syntax. Okay. Pattern. What is a pattern? So pattern. This is the regular expression to be matched. Means regular expression means your data. So regular expression this to match your this Gmail से. Okay. And again this string. This is the string which would be searched to match the pattern at the beginning of string. Okay. So all data. This is all data to define a string. So this is string. This is string. To define all data, this is string. And match function start this match and start this point to check one by one characters. Okay. First is match and second is search function. So search function scan through a string looking for any location where this regular expression match. Syntax RE, search, pattern and string. Both are same, but syntax is different. Okay. Pattern same. This is the regular expression to be matched and this is the string which would be searched to match the pattern at the beginning of string. Okay. Patterns means except for control characters, except for control characters for plus addition. This is a question mark, dot, asterisk. This is a cap, dollar, parenthesis, square brackets. This is curly braces or bracket slashes or characters match theme sleeves. Okay, all characters. If you want to create a pattern, so different characters are used to check the patterns and create the patterns, है ना? Multiples. This is a main, but multiples. multiples are defined. You can escape a control character by preceding with a backslash. Okay, so this is or. So or alternation or the or operators. Okay, this is a match. This is a match function. Starting this is a match. Match the beginning of lines. If you start this line, if you start this line to start this function, starting point, this cape. Okay, dollar match at the end of line. End of line means this is a start point, this is a start point, and end point this. So after ending this, create dollar sign. So this is starting to ending. Check the your strings, your patterns. Okay, slash d match only digits. Slash capital D match only non digits. Small s match white spaces, and small s capital S matches no non white spaces. Okay, first example. Check this code. First of all, import. This is import. RE means regular expressions. Import RE, regular expression module. Okay, import RE module. And pattern. What is a pattern? So pattern your to check it. Okay, to check it this, to check these points. Okay, only ABC are present, are not present. Okay, R, R means this is starting point to define the R. R means regular. So point of R. So R is defined, and strings. What is a string? A B C. A B C. This is my string. Okay. ABC check it. This your my strings. This is pattern. This is strings. So ABC and my string. Where my strings? My string is A B C D E F. Okay. Print RE. This is RE dot match function. Match, when is pattern? Match function is two arguments. First of all pattern, and second is my string. This pattern to what will be check it this, or when we check it inner, this is. Hold it 10 minutes, 8 minutes. Hmm. Yeah. So run this code. Yeah. So pattern RE, this is RE. Match function, return one objects. Okay. Span means starting 0 to 3. 0 to 3 मैच यानी कि all 3 मैचेस 0 से स्टार्ट हुए and 3 मैचेस all completed. ABC are matches. But if say not one mistake, if say C is not determined, my string C is not determined, again it run, so result is none. Result is none. So all, if you define this ABC, but ABC is this, check it my strings. My string is this. Check it your pattern. Your pattern is available? No available. So result is none. If I say define ABC, so pattern is successful done. Match 3 ABC. Understood? Not understood?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Okay. Krishna?
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Second is import RE regular expression pattern R ABC if say do not define C, so match is function pattern my string, so output is none. Okay. Next example. Define my Gmail. So how to define my Gmail password and how to create Gmail. Okay, yeah. First is import RE my pattern. So my pattern is this my pattern. R this is starting and this is my pattern. Capital this is starting point. List create list A to Z. A to Z means ABC. Check it ABC. Ab, not determine only small. If you want to create B na, if you want to create A na, ABC. So both strings are match. If say ABC, if say define only one by one. Okay. Define ABC. Okay. So ABC A to Z 0 to 9. First of all, underscore and dot plus and minus. Plus minus means category. If you create ABC to up to capital ABC, ABC and 0 to 9, 0 to 9. So this is category to adding the data and minus the data. So that is used to plus and minus. Okay. Adding the plus at the rate. At the rate is a main point. At the rate to checking the at the rate, checking the at the rate. A to Z, A to Z 0 to 9. This is Gmail. After the any argument pass 1 to 3 ABC again name. So this is again ABC plus dot. This is a mandatory dot. This is a dot. So again is dot and again A to Z 0 to 9. This is a dot com. So define the dot com 0 to 9 and this is a dollar sign. This is a beginning to ending to check it this dollar sign. Okay. So this is my pattern and this is my email abc@gmail.com. rs this is a rs is a return object re.match pattern emails to return an object, so assign this variable rs and print the rs. So run this code. Yeah, got it. 0 to 13. Spend this 0 to 13 codes. Match A, B, C, all ABC. This is A to Z, and at the rate gmail.com. If I say dot, no determine. Yeah, do not determine. So none. So one by one character, if you define one, so define one by one character to check. If you forget dot, so dot forget. So this is correct now. If I said do not forget real time example, this is do not assign dot. So none is a this compile. This is a runtime error. This is machine error. But front end error, invalid email, invalid Gmail. You got it? What is a invalid? Because you don't create na dot. So if you create dot, so again this. So this is your mesh data, and again अगर front end message valid email ID, account successfully created. Okay, but if I say ABC and ABC, okay, got them. So run this code. Yeah, 16 match ABC, again ABC, any kind of information. If you define any kind of data, so create this code, run this code. ABC and all, because ABCD na, so define A to Z and A to Z. If I say define 0 to 1, so 1 2 3 0 0 1 2 3. So say define this data. So run this code. 32. Define the data. But if I say forget at the rate, so none. And forget of this .com. If I say .co .in, okay, this is mail ID now. So this is done. Again it run. RE match object span 0 to 5 match. This is .com .in. If say define at the rate yahoo.co.in, okay, so this is match. So any kind of email data to define regular expressions, define in regular expressions. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is same. Import RE, or this is A to Z your data and email and pattern check, and this is A to Z 0 to 9 check it your data, and A to Z. So this is your regular expressions. Any doubt for regarding regular expression?
No, sir.
Souvik, any doubt?
नहीं
No,
सर.
sir.
Okay. So next topic is okay. Yeah. Yeah. Mm, Yeah. Fourth topic is next topic is database connectivity. Python database connectivity. But this sessions only what is a database, what is a MySQL. Bus. Understand this code, and after this is Monday classes to install MySQL, connect with the database, and perform some operations. Okay, got it?
Sir, we can
Okay,
use
sir.
the Python to MySQL, sir.
Python to MySQL.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So first of all, database. What is a database? So you know little bit database. You know what is a database?
Yes, sir.
What is database?
Collection of data is called database, sir.
Okay, collections of data. What is a data? What is a data?
Data means uh, if you can get one person name details, phone, mobile numbers, email IDs, address details, contact them
No, no,
like
no,
that,
no.
sir.
Okay, okay, yeah, yeah, understood. But data is a information. Any kind of information. Data is a information. And what is information? Information is a one to more characters. One to more characters collections. One to more collections of characters. That is a informations. Okay, what is a data? To store your data. Data. What is database? To store your data. Data means a container. So store your data. But what is a data? Data is a information. But what is information? Information is a collections of one and more characters. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it? Yeah. Okay. So database. Little bit this is a front end. You see na any websites, this is a cross site website, cross security website. Okay, this is a front end, front end. Front end, and this is a back end, BACK. Backend, and this is a database. Any website, 3 steps na, any websites, this is front end, this is back end, then this is database. Okay, so front end, what is a front end? You see website, any website, this is a front end. Okay, this is how to
सर
create.
स्क्रीन स्टॉप हो गया है शायद.
ओके ओके, स्क्रीन नहीं चल रहा यार, स्क्रीन तो इधर दिख रहा है. ओके, यू सी अगेन.
हाँ अब ठीक है.
ओके, ऐसा करो, रिकनेक्ट करो दोबारा, क्योंकि टू मिनट्स बचे हैं, तो रिमेनिंग 2 मिनट्स यू कैन अगेन
ठीक है,
रिकनेक्ट. ओके, रिकनेक्ट अगेन.